In the final part of our journey, we cross the Tiber to explore the spiritual heart of the city and its most imposing fortress. We begin on the Ponte Sant'Angelo, one of Rome's most beautiful bridges, lined with masterfully carved angels. Originally built as a mausoleum for Emperor Hadrian, this fortress has served as a prison and a papal refuge. From here, the Grand Avenue leads us directly to the world's most famous square. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We arrive at St. Peter's Square, a monumental space designed by Bernini to welcome the world with open arms. The 4 rows of massive columns create a perfect elliptical boundary, a masterpiece of architectural symmetry. At the center stands an ancient Egyptian obelisk, brought to Rome in 37 AD, witnessing centuries of history. The symmetrical fountains add a sense of life and movement to this grand stone arena. Standing before the facade, the sheer scale of the largest church in the world is truly humbling. As we step inside, we are greeted by an explosion of gold, marble, and light. To our right, Michelangelo's Pietà remains one of the most moving sculptures ever created in human history. Bernini's towering bronze baldacchino marks the spot where St. Peter is believed to be buried. Look up at the dome, a crowning achievement of the Renaissance, rising 136 meters above the floor. The view from the top offers a perspective of Rome that you will never forget. Nearby, the Vatican Museum's house, one of the greatest collections of art and antiquities in existence. From the Laocoon to the Gallery of Maps, every hallway is a journey through artistic genius. Even in the heart of the city, these secluded gardens offer a moment of quiet reflection. As we walk back toward the river, the city begins to transform under the evening sky. Rome is a city that never loses its magic, even as the sun sets. Its beauty is timeless, reflected in the history that flows through its streets like the river itself. Thank you for traveling with us through the Eternal City. Rome will always be waiting for your return. Thank you for joining us for our 3-part tour. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.